Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring roster and permissions are ready. This matters because students must access sets without friction. Next, create a dedicated practice set folder in Drive so your templates stay organized. Then open Google Classroom, go to Classwork, choose Create and select Practice Set, add a title and brief instructions. Make sure to set due dates and topic. This sets expectations. Once done, attach any files or links, and preview the set to confirm question order and student view. Now focus on building and customizing content so the set matches your learning goals. Add varied question types and import from question banks or Drive to save time. This helps with differentiated practice. Customize points, time limits, and shuffling to control rigor and prevent sharing answers. Use answer feedback and hints to guide students during practice. This promotes learning rather than memorization. Make sure to assign to the correct class or individual students, and enable grading options if you want automatic scoring. Complete the workflow by assigning the practice set to the intended students and setting a due date so students know the deadline. After assigning, immediately verify delivery by opening the set and using Student View. This confirms access and formatting. Monitor submissions through Classwork and View responses to spot widespread misunderstandings early. If something goes wrong, students can't access or answers won't save, check folder sharing, classroom permissions, and connectivity. Refresh the page or resync roster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.